last night.
Hey, Proost.
Yeah.
Prost.
Skål.
Good afternoon. Yesterday was really nice, had a lovely time. Today I'm going sailing. Everyone here is probably. I'm sailing to La Graciosa. It's an island above Lanzarote. Yeah, I've got some nice comfort food for on the way. It's the weather is it should be good. Like, it's really hard to get a weather window for the last week, and the next predicted few weeks will be even more shit, even southerly winds at a certain point and no winds. So it will be here you can see the map. The wind's coming like this, 8 to 10 knots, so that should be enough, and it should die down at the end a little bit, but if it really dies down, we can wait for about a day, and then there will be wind again on Sunday. Today is Tuesday, I think. So Wednesday is good wind, Thursday is good wind, and Friday very light, and then Saturday very light, and then Sunday there will be wind. I predict if we make way, it's about 3 days, so we'll see. For now, cleaning the boat up, and then I'll leave, and I still need to get fuel, so I'll go to a nearby marina to fill up the gas tanks. So it's so hot, but we got everything inside again, and now going to Quinta del Norte to get fuel, and then we'll be off. There is wind, so I'm very happy. Yeah, I go to Quinta del Norte, fill up the gas tank, and then just go. There's good wind.
Yeah, you're doing great.
Yeah. All right.
I'll send you this footage.
Thank you. I'll send you this footage. Bye bye. We're already sailing. I fueled up. Sadly, I forgot to take a video, but you get the gist. And we're sailing perfectly at a 5.4 knots. Amazing. Really happy. Start fishing. This is what I use, just a big hook with a little squid on it, with a metal I don't know what to call it, with a paraffin, so this thing go underwater, and when the fish catches it, it will bring it to the surface. I think I already got a fish. I threw it out, and like after 1 second I think I already got one, so we're gonna put it in. Okay, let's see what we got. Dinner, some egg and sausage and baked beans. So it's a bit of a breakfast meal, but I had a hunch for baked beans, so I'm eating baked beans. Put the wind fan on. It's almost midnight. We're doing 5 knots. It's really got up to a nice speed now. Yeah, really enjoying it, and I'm gonna go to sleep now and see you tomorrow. Going so fast, between 5 and 6 knots. Not gonna reef because the boat's actually sailing fine, not overpowered at all. So yeah. Okay, we're gonna reef now. Good night. Didn't sleep a lot, but that's mainly because it was the first night. But yeah, the sailing is absolutely perfect. It's we've been blasting along at like 5 to 6 knots with full sails, relatively flat seas, and we're just like on one side leaned over, so it's very stable also. and we're just flying along. We've already traveled 72 miles in 16 hours. And that's could be more, but in the beginning we went a little slow. And yeah, it should continue like this for today and tomorrow. And then it gets a little lighter again. But yeah, absolutely perfect. I said last night that I was gonna reef the sails. I actually didn't. I waited a little longer. And it died down a bit and it was perfect again. In the first reef, I saw that the top of the mainsail wasn't really doing anything. So we reefed, still doing 5 knots. So lunch is tuna salad on a cracker. I'm a bit seasick once again, like always. It's also we're pointing a little higher, so it's upwind now. So it's a bit of a bouncy ride, but we're going fast, 5 knots. I downloaded the weather files, and we have a small problem. The wind goes away, like right when we get there. So I hope there's still a little bit of wind. Otherwise, we have the motor. Wind's died down a bit, so shook out the reef, and perfect sailing conditions at the moment. Going fast, but it's really uncomfortable. It's like the waves are coming from the side, so it's like really rolly. But we're hanging on for dear life. We're going about 5.2 knots consistently. And at this speed we'll make it before the wind dies down. I'm preparing some soup. It's the only thing I'll get down probably, because I'm very seasick. But it could be worse. There could be no wind. I'm gonna put in the second reef. I already reefed the Genoa a bit, and we have the first reef. Oh. But yeah, it should pick up a little bit in the night, and I don't want to go on deck anymore. So I'll do it now. Still very seasick. It's very uncomfortable, but we'll make it work. It's still doing 4.6 knots, so that's fine. And at least I don't have to go on deck anymore. As you saw in the clip, you saw my amazing underwear, and you also saw that it was quite wavy. But hey, we're moving again. It's really going crazy out there. I reefed Genoa like a lot, and we're still doing like 5.5 to 6 knots. I'm thinking about the third reef, but yeah, I don't really want to go on deck right now to put it in. So I'm still contemplating it. I'm gonna put in the third reef. First I'm gonna hove to and then put it in. It's really getting wild out there, so I really don't feel like putting in the reef, but I need to do it, so let's get to work. Last night was a bit shit. I threw up, so seasick I got. This is the configuration. Rolled out a little more jib last night because it's gotten a little lighter, but still quite strong. The waves are sometimes really big. I'll try to get a few on camera, but still 20 more hours and then we'll be there. Also, never eating soup on a boat again. It flew out of the pan and here on the ground. So I'll clean it up when we get there. It's gotten a little bit more comfortable. The waves have died down a lot. I shook out the reef of the mainsail, the third reef, and Genoa is now fully unfurled. And we're still doing 5 knots. It's about 45 miles, 48 miles. And the only thing worrying me is that the wind will die down before we get there. So let's pray that it doesn't. For now we're making good speed, 5 knots. I'm a little more alive again. And if we start dropping a little more speed, I'll shake out the final 2 reefs. But for now it's fine. And then it says now at this speed it's about 10 hours of sailing. So we'll see. Flying. Waves coming a bit from the rear now, which is much nicer and also gives us a little speed boost. I shook out 1 reef and for now we're still flying. Let's see how long it lasts. But for now we're doing good. Okay, I didn't want to jinx it, but we're almost there. So let me show you. This is where we're going, to this anchorage over here. And the wind should have died down like here, but it didn't, so we still have wind. We sailed at like crazy speeds, like 5 knots consistently, even though I thought there would be no wind, so that's perfect. And we'll be there in about 1 hour. And yeah, then we'll drop the anchor and go to sleep. This trip has been a bit rough, not gonna lie. It's maybe been the most seasick I've ever been, but we survived, and luckily there's a thing as sailor's dementia, and in a few days I will forget all the shitty parts of this trip and only remember the good, and then I'll make another trip. So yeah, I'll see you guys probably when I have the anchor down, and yeah, bye bye. We made it. I picked up the anchor once after I dropped it, because I felt too close to another boat. It's so busy in this anchorage. I'll show it tomorrow. I came here and I just saw lights everywhere, anchor lights. So I was like, shit. But we got a spot. I'm happy now. And there should be a great view tomorrow, because I can already see the mountains and it's night. So, alright, yeah, I'm going to sleep. Have a nice day. Good morning. This is how we woke up. Not bad. Time to clean the boat up, because it's a mess. And then eat a lot, because I didn't get to do that the last few days.